Welcome guys for the next video in the data analysis section and the tutorial. Today I will show how to prepare the pivot table. So here I have already put the precipitation data from the different station. So I've already prepared the month and year of one station. Now I'm going to insert the two column here for the month and year. So in order to generate the single month and separately year, now you have to draw a formula. You can write their month by equal to months, and then you can select the total month and year, again for the year as well. Now select the data. So this gives the different month column and the year columns. So I've already done that. Now you can pop to the now again copy and paste it there. Now copy all the year precipitation data of all the month. You can select. So this is the one station of precipitation data. Now go to the insert. Here you can see the pivot table. So you can do in the new worksheet, you can do click OK here. So for the precipitation, put that in the summation value, and for the year you can put that in the row value labels. So here you can see the year precipitation data with the sum of the precipitation. Now we know we have to prepare the average precipitation, so select that average by right click on that. So here you can find the average precipitation of all the whole year of the 30-year data. So this is for the average precipitation of the year data. Now for the separate months, again you can create the pivot table. Now go to the insert here. Again you can create the pivot table within the new worksheet. Now here you can again put the summation precipitation value in the summation values, and month in the column values, and year in the row values. So here you can find the whole year with their month precipitation value. Here is the grand total, that is the sum of the precipitation value. You can plot the graph as well. You can prepare the bar chart or the line graph to show the precipitation trend. But here this is of the sum values, but now we need the average value. So go to right click and go to the value field setting with the average. So this is the real precipitations values, that is the average for the whole 12 months of respective years with their grand average. So you can see the 30-year data of their all the 12. So thank you for watching this video. I will come up with the different data analysis method in the different software.